Joshua's gonna explain how a horse kicks.
You're an idiot.
Go. How does a horse kick?
She thinks a horse kick is like this. But a horse can't do that because it has 4 legs. It's not gonna. Horse kick is behind and it's like. Does it make that noise? I'll do it side one. That's a horse kick. You're an idiot. I'm right.
Come up, let us see your shirt.
Why?
Who is that?
Johnny Cash.
Who's Johnny Cash?
The man.
You have to make it interesting.
It's Johnny Cash. I don't know. Johnny Cash, that's him. And this is what he thinks he is. I'm done. What are you doing?
Show me your horse kick one more time.